Pad.
Ingano na lang natin, lagyan natin ng spike.
May
Yung sticker, yung nakapila.
Di ba, pero white mo na.
Oo, ganun na.
Lipat. Oh my God.
Sige.
Go.
Ayan, dilim naman.
Sa ilaw.
Ay, sa TV nga pala nakakailaw. Wala nang nakuha ang ano, wala nang picture. Kaya nga eh, parang walang sense yung pagbibideo pala.
Naghirapan niya.
Na-play na, sir.
Wala pa. Ikaw na natin, Gino, yung lang.
Sige po. Uy.
Feeling ko sa atin naman lahat naka-play nun. Naka-red, di ba?
Naka-play na ko.
Naka-play na sa'yo, coach? Ano ka, daming memory.
Wala din alam eh.
Naka-play na, ayan na.
Yan na, yan na.
Building pace. Our core is braced, and our upper body is relaxed. And we're sitting in speed for 1 minute. Fast. And if we're feeling good, then let's find the beat. Our legs naturally slow. We start to add resistance. We're finding a heavy gear. Keep turning until our legs slow to the 1, 2, 1, 2. Stand up.
With every step, the weight keeps
Holding
dragging
pace. Sit down.
me forward.
Big brace of the core.
Just the
We stand up. An easy shift from side to side. 1, 2, 1, 2. And our chest is lifted, tall and proud.
I'm holding on, drifting as we
Following onto this pace, we sit down. Now we can adjust the gear at any time. Stand. We're feeling that strong connection to the resistance now. Sit. Keeping the core super tight. Stand up. And Wow, amazing. We are definitely in the workout zone. So up here, we've got rolling climbs. We're going to find a really strong resistance, adding now. And then we're going to stand and sit. Here we go, strong gear, heavy. Stand up. Sit down. Let's try hold the beat. Stand 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and sit. 1, 2, 1, 2, stand. in the zone. Well done. Just allow the space to evolve around us in shape and form as we breathe. We're going to find some pace. Building towards the beat, and it's moderate here. Naturally slow our legs. So that was 30 seconds. We're going to go for a little bit longer this time. 1 minute. Let's reset our posture. Shoulders away from ears. Start to build leg speed. Reconnect with moderate. Fast. Adjust the gear as you need. Stand. So we want it to feel heavy, like we're working. Sit. Adjust the gear however you need. Stand. Tension remains when we're up and when we're down. Sit. Adjusting the gear as we need. Stand. Now up ahead, we got 60 seconds back into speed. Holding this. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to encourage us to keep turning until we find our strong. Until we're sucked into this heavy feeling. Sit. Butt goes back. Our legs are long. We're pushing strength. These are one of these moments where we just be strong. Stand up. Stay in the strength. We're climbing to the top. We're accelerating. Sitting, reducing, building pace.
Cause I feel the peace. It's coming on me. What a sweet release. I'll give us everything. Take none away. There's everything.
As we use this time to smooth it out, we're gonna make a commitment to sit in the strength again, okay? Heavy gears, stand up.
The day is coming.
Keep adding the gears. Sit.
Not to cross line.
Do we feel the strength in our bodies? Stand up. Now we're fighting here, but it's a good fight. It's the kind of fight that gets us stronger. Stay with me. Stay with me. Sit. This is our moment. This is our time. We are so strong. Stand. Feeling everything now. We climb to the top together. Always together. Recovery. Let's take our time. Back into the sea. And then let's free our colleagues.
Well, every talking about freedom, from 1 to 10, we all say no
Well done.
it's too hot to keep.
That was epic.
Only one of us left, from 10, we all the same old thing.
Okay, this is speed. Just bring that radio feeling bass for me. Let's find out.
Back up,
We are on the beat.
I'm talking about freedom. Tell me what's on your mind. See it all off the top. I'm talking about freedom. Oh yeah, keep the
Just make it smooth. Leaves naturally slow.
show.
We've had such a great ride today. We're keeping the energy here. We're just smoothing things out. Okay, let's reconnect with the beat. It should be a little bit easier the second time. Slowing. From here, we put just enough to stand on. And then once you've got it, stand up. Take your time. It's an easy standing phase. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm rhythmically shifting my body from side to side. I'm not quite dancing. This is probably as close to dancing as I get. Accelerate, sit down, find the beat. Yay! Just take your time to slow. A couple of off the bike stretches. I had such a fantastic time riding with you today. My name's Karan and I cannot wait to ride again with you soon. That was Les Mills The Trip.
Ate Jenny, ito lang yung last ko.
Lalagyan ko siya ng
Hindi na ako mag-second and third.